Built on precision, safety is an invisible but essential presence. Behind every airplane, every power cable, and every piece of infrastructure, there is a silent force protecting us. Non-destructive testing, NDT. It ensures structural integrity, protects every life, and helps industry move steadily forward. However, progress is never won alone. True innovation, it comes from connecting expertise, sharing techniques, and bringing industries together. An international exhibition is not just a platform for display. More, it is the core engine driving technological progress and accelerating industrial development. And now, we are considering what the next key site should be. The answer: Taipei, a city located at the core of Asia, bringing together Eastern and Western markets, connecting global industrial networks, only a short few hours, from everywhere in the world. To Asia's most bustling industrial cluster, a highly efficient mass transit system to get from the airport to the exhibition center, so every exhibition goes smoothly and seamlessly. The Taipei World Trade Center is the best platform for interacting with experts from around the globe. But even more important is, Taiwan is the core of world-class industries in semiconductors, precision manufacturing, and high-tech. Taiwan has long occupied a leading position in the world. Here, innovation never stops, and quality never compromises. And NDT is not just a part of industry, but a critical, irreplaceable technology. Coming to Taipei is not just participating in an exhibition, but entering an industrial hub where you can find demand, markets, and the future. This city creates possibilities with its richly diverse culture, world-class food, and a passionately friendly urban atmosphere. Every visit to Taipei is not just a commercial trip, but an experience to remember. The future of NDT demands a world-class platform, a place that is connected to the world, one that implements innovation and promotes collaboration. Taipei is ready. We warmly welcome you to join this global industrial cluster and set the next milestone for NDT together.